Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to share Snapchat filters with others on Android device. Well, knowing how to share Snapchat filters with others allows you to introduce your friends and followers to your favorite AR effect and enhance their Snapchat experience. And also, sharing filters enables you to send specific filters or lenses to friends directly through Snapchat, making it easy for them to access and use the effects you recommended. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, go ahead and open Snapchat app on your device. Okay, and then here you can slide to the right side like this to find more filters on this app. Well, once you found the filters you want to share with your friends, simply tap this option. Okay, next here will appear several sharing options, whether it is media social such as WhatsApp, Instagram, Line, or you can directly share it to your friends here. Well, that's the tutorial on how to share Snapchat filters with others on Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.